Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button right there. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. I'm in the entryway. I made it to the entryway. It's 9 o'clock. I'm annoyed. The dog let me sleep. Margo, why was I sleeping? It's almost 8 o'clock before I rolled over and I'm like, why am I, what? So, yeah, I got to get outside and start unloading that van because that's goal for the day is to at least unload the van today so I can start loading it. There is a gate leg table in there that is heavy as all get out, and I don't think I'm going to get that out by myself. So that will probably just be shifted to the side and wait for my husband to help me with that one, just because it took two of us to load it into the van. So I don't want to break it. It's a really nice table. It's got some shelf contact paper on the top that has to be taken off. So that's the only thing that I saw that needed to be done, and then possibly like cleaned up and remove any adhesive left on the contact paper. But yeah, I don't want to wreck it. Those gate leg tables are like so nice. So I'm going to make my last cup of coffee that I'm going to take in my travel mug, my Copco cups, and get out there. Now I'm going to roll Fluffy around here and back her in so that it's easier to unload. Someone north of here is shooting in the woods, and as much as I want to believe that my neighbors are responsible in not aiming this direction, it still makes me nervous. They literally have nowhere to shoot. So there's a freeway. They can't shoot at the freeway. They're not supposed to shoot towards houses, which are on all other three sides of them, so they got to be shooting at someone's house. I love drunken holidays. They don't usually shoot over there, so I don't know who it is. Like if it was the other neighbors to the south of us, I kind of know the neighborhood south of us that they're responsible, but these people are making me nervous. Let's hope I don't get shot today. Slight problem. I have a muscle spasm in my back so bad I can barely breathe. So I'm going to try and get this stuff in the garage and go in and do some stretches because I don't want to leave this out here, but it's just, this is hard and slow going. Because every time I try and lift something, I can't breathe. Effing. I need to get this done. Okay, I took pictures of. I had wine last night. That's why I'm having back spasms, I'm betting. I took pictures of some of the items I need to price that are out in the garage so that I could sit on the couch until this back spasm passes. I'm going to have some lunch and then take some pain meds. And it's already noon. Well, it's 11:30. So I got everything out of the van except the heavy pieces I can't lift by myself. Mission accomplished for the day. I would have liked to have gotten a few pieces that were packed into the van, but you know what? If that's all I've accomplished today, that's good because that's the goal I set for myself. So we made our goal by lunchtime, which was what I thought would happen is I'd get it all undone, unloaded by lunchtime. And since I was a little early, I mean, in my mind, I'm going, because it was only like 11:30, you could have spent a half an hour moving some of the boxes that are packed into the van. But you know what? Got to go with your body, and your body says sit down. So I'm sitting down. Like I said last spring, or this spring, this past spring. So this is the last spring. Anyway, my ADHD is like, what? I'm not going to kill myself. I have 3 weeks, just under 3 weeks to get it loaded. It's going to be okay. Today is price tag day then. I'm going to sit down and do price tags because this hurts a lot. It was hard to finish getting that stuff in the garage. And then the weeds out in front of my garage door were blowing. The wind is really, really strong today because of the cold front that moved in. And the weeds are blowing in front of the sensor. So I had to weed in front of my garage. And I'm like on my knees pulling weeds going, oh, I can't breathe. So I need to have some lunch and get some Tylenol in me. Maybe some ibuprofen. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But holy cow, y'all. That was like, oh, just get this stuff put away. It's all away and I can't close the garage door because these freaking weeds. Like Mother Nature's going, bow to me. All right, Mother Nature, I got it. You win. So I had to pull those damn weeds that my husband has neglected. He wanted acreage and a property, and I'll take care of it. I like taking care of the yard, and that's not happening. It's not happening. I could barely take a deep breath. That hurt so much. I'm going to get some lunch in me, though, and get some painkillers, and maybe we'll be back. Well, it's getting dark. The dog needs to go out, and I haven't got anything done. Got some price tags written. Been in pain all afternoon. So, tomorrow, new goal is to go to Picket, see if I have a booth or a porch space. I still have, play with the dog, no idea if I have a porch space. Because on Thursday when I was there, the porch stuff information wasn't out. And I got to get it done because Picket's next week. And I got a job now. So, yeah, I'm going to go tomorrow and see if I got a porch space. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.